Hi there, welcome to Toogal's YouTube channel and tutorial videos. Toogal provides lottery system software. Today I'm going to be showing you the third and final part of the Analyzer software application. In tutorial number 1 we went through the top part of the application and the settings. Tutorial 2 I went through the main tab, and this tutorial I'll go through the Analysis tab. Looking at the Analysis tab, it'll show us the previous draws that we're analyzing. So we've set the default to 24. We're looking at 24 draws. We're filtering the Wednesday lottery, and we've said we want to include the supplementaries. And we're starting from the most recent Wednesday draw, in this case the 27th of January. The chart that we're looking at shows us the spread of even and odd numbers over these 24 draws. Now, because we've included the subs, there are going to be 8 balls in each of the draws. If we turn off the supplementaries, there are only going to be 6. And if you look at the chart here, what it shows you is that the vast majority of draws, 7, had an even spread of even and odd numbers. If we took 2 even and 4 odd, 3 even, 3 odd, or 4 even and 2 odd, and add up the number of draws that had even and odd balls that fell within those patterns, you can see there were 17 out of the 24 draws that included even and odd numbers within those patterns. So all we're trying to look at here is, are there better spreads of even and odd numbers that we can use when we're choosing our own numbers? If I drag the divider across, you can see the actual data, the table, and the table colors are reflecting the chart color. So for this light blue color, we're looking at the even and odd spread. So the previous draw, the most recent draw, you can see there were 3 even, 3 odd numbers. And there it shows you the number of even. If you're going to be buying a lottery ticket, these are the sort of things that may be useful to help you choose the number types that you want or the patterns you want to use. If we look at the over number, now in this case over is set to number 33. So by clicking on this, what we're asking the software to do is tell us how many draws had how many balls over number 33. And this shows you that of the 24 draws we're looking at, the most recent 24 draws, 9 of those draws had only 1 ball over 33. 4 of the draws had 2, 4 had 3, and 2 had 4 balls over 33. And again, the colors, the greenish color in the chart is reflected in the table. If you wanted to change the number, instead of 33, let's say you wanted to see approximately how many balls are in the top end of the draw, we could go to the settings, change the number 33 to, for example, 22, make sure we tab out of that, and you can see here now we're looking at how many draws had lottery numbered balls over number 22. You would expect that there would be quite a few more, because obviously there's more numbers available over 22. And again, the color on the chart show the color balls being shown in the table. Another thing that we can look at here are the consecutive pairs. So looking at these last 24 draws, how many of the draws included consecutive pairs of numbers? And you can see here that 16 of the draws had no consecutive numbers. So again, in the last 24 draws, if you had chosen numbers that had a consecutive pair, 16 of those draws, you know you're not going to get anywhere. Would that suggest that in the next 16 it may be a similar spread? Who knows? It's obviously random. But all we're trying to do is give you analysis that helps you to decide whether you want to include things like consecutive pairs in your draws. So those are the three types of analysis that we currently do. We will be adding more over the course of the future, and any suggestions, if anybody has suggestions about the types of analysis they think would be useful, please give us your feedback. That's pretty much it for the analysis or the analyze program. Please watch the other tutorials to see how you can use the apps in some detail. Thanks for watching. Good luck using the Analyzer software. All the best, and bye for now.